Hi guys! Join me as I get ready for class as a second year student in UP Clark. Mamaya, pag uwi ko, may birthday dinner for kapatid ko. So, kasama yun. At kaya may onting arte yung ayos ko for today. And water break, moisturizer. Kasi, even though oily skin ako, parang ginagawa ko kasi siyang primer. And of course, parang skin prep na rin. Ayan, sunscreen all over the face. So, I'll start with illuminator. And then, sunod ko na yung brows and then concealer. Nilalagay ko siya usually sa high points of my face. Like this. And this. Minsan din kasi ginagamit ko to even out the skin. I'll just blend it out with a brush. And then, papasadahan ko siya ng sponge na sisprayan ko ng onting setting spray. Pasadahan ko lang. Gagawin ko yung brows habang nagmamarinate yung concealer sa under eyes ko and some areas na feel ko need ko ng additional coverage. So, naglagay na ako ng concealer. If I recall correctly, ito yung pangatlong brow na nagamit ko ever since nag-makeup ako. And so, sinastart ko yung side na to. Bale, dito kasi, dinadagdagan ko yung babang area. And then dito sa kabilang brow, dinadagdagan ko yung taas. So, inuuna ko muna to para ipapantay ko siya dito. And then, itutuloy ko yung taas ng side na to before this one. Ayan, so basically, ganyan yung like usual shape ng brow ko. Soft lang yung arch niya for me. Manipis na manipis yung brows ko, so kailangan ko siyang i-map out ng ganyan. I'll get another mirror para mas makita ko yung diin. Medyo na-fill out ko na yung dulong area ng brow na to sa may left. Ngayon naman yung sa right. So, after that, lalagyan ko lang ng like hair-like stroke dito sa inner corner. So, now that I'm done with my brows, I think this is the closest I can get sa pantay siya. Anyway, after ng pagbe-blend out ko ng concealer, saka ako maglalagay ng blush. Mas prefer ko yung fingers than sponge pagdating sa under eye. Ano ko ba? Mas nawa-warm up niya sa skin ko. Nababaho kasi parang dun ko mas nakikita yung difference when it comes to coverage. Like leftover ng mga yan. Nilalagay ko na lang dito sa may lid. And pasadahan siya ng sponge. I'll be putting on blush. Mag-aano li ako nung mix ng lilac and then may everyday blush para maging softer yung labas niya. And then sinastamp over ko lang yung other blush. Naman, I blend it downwards. I think dadagdagan ko lang siya ng onti-onti kasi until dinner nga, so dapat tumagal to hanggang dinner. Maglalagay muna ako ng setting powder before ako mag-proceed sa powder products. So now, I'm going to put on eyeliner. Isang mirror para mas malinaw siya. Palan yung kabilang side. Oh no. Oasis. I'll choose Oasis. So, maglalagay ako ng onting Oasis. Yung nag-crack na shade. Sobrang nahihinayang ako kasi nagustuhan ko talaga yung color na yun. Sayang lang, isa siya nasira. Hindi siya ganong kita, pero ang galing ng pagka-shimmery niya. And hindi ko siya lalagay ng buo. Paningan dito lang. Lalagay na lang ako ng highlighter, then yung blush, setting spray, lippy, and then fixing spray. So, due to very unfortunate circumstances, na-cancel ang on-site class. And I wish my prof well. Hindi ko lang alam kung paano na gagawin ko. May gusto akong attend na event ng org kasi may mga incentive yung other prof doon. Pero at the same time, kailangan ko rin umuwi kasi may dinner. Hindi pa sure yung prof ko na nag-cancel if makapag-online siya. So, I don't know. I don't know. And then I blend it out. Ewan ko ba, for me, mas nagiging pouty yung effect nung lips ko pag ganito. Maglalagay ako ng gloss on top and then fixing spray and then I'm done. So mag-spray lang ako ng fixing spray and then I'm done. Out of sheer curiosity, gusto ko lang ulit matry mag-mascara. It's been a while since hindi akong nag-mascara. Although wala ako nung like lash curler. Anyway, I'm gonna ignore that stain. Ayan, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys for joining me as I get ready for class. Although na-cancel siya, so this is more like get ready with me for a birthday dinner. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me in this video as I get ready for class. Although na-cancel siya. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!